a new video. In today's video we're going to be doing another designer set of nails using the stickers, Gucci this time, oh my god, and I have got some gel polish. The gel polish I'm using today is from Madame Glam and it's called Ballerina. It's actually like the perfect beigey nude. I had a little bit of a Google because I don't do designer because I can't afford it, though I would like to, but I can't really because it's expensive. If I was rich, I would. But if I was rich, there's loads of things I'd do that I can't do. Anyway, shut up, Nats. It doesn't matter. Right, 2 coats of Ballerina onto the nail. Each coat cures in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to show you this. Look, this second coat when it's on. Look how smooth and shiny and lovely it is. Oh, there's something about freshly applied gel polish that I just love it. Right, so this first nail gets a little bit complicated. You're probably thinking, why didn't you just turn the sticker on its side? But I want the GG logo to be straight. I want it to be up the right way. So what I'm going to have to do is cut off sections of this sticker, and then see, like, I'm just trying to work out where I wanted the first little symbol to be in the middle at the top. I probably should have done it like 2. Yeah, anyway, it doesn't matter. It's done now. But yeah, so the first one in the middle at the top. So I've cut out that section and I'm going to place it on the nail. And then I'm going to just rub it on with my finger. I do get a silicone tool as well, just to rub it on with. You want to make sure you've got no air bubbles underneath, because the air bubbles will show. I did have some air bubbles, but you probably won't really see them, which is good. So what you need to do then is cut around the edge of the sticker. When you do this, I would recommend that you cut the sticker so that it is coming, so you've got a little gap between the free edge and the sticker. That way then you can cap the nail perfectly and not have to worry that the sticker is, because if you don't cap it properly, the sticker could potentially kind of like unpeel, and your client will be tempted to pick it off, and if they do that, the whole nail's gonna, it's just gonna ruin it. So I ended up having to work out where I wanted the next bit. It did get a little bit complicated, but I'm going to repeat what I done on the first step. I did get a little air bubble in this bit, which I had to end up pulling the sticker off a little bit, and then I'm going to do the same at the very bottom. There we go. Again, just snip off any excess sticker. So I really actually like this nail. I had decided initially that this set was going to be matte finished, but see, look, I do top coat this now with a velvet matte, Madame Glam's velvet matte top coat. By the way, you can get 30% off any Madame Glam gel polishes using my code NATMUG30. I don't know if I've told you that or not, but you can. 30% is a massive saving. It's brilliant. So yeah, I do go back over this nail with their non-wipe top coat, because I just felt like it needed to be shiny. It looks nice shiny, and actually if you do get any air bubbles, they're harder to see if you've top coated it with a shiny top coat. So yeah, FYI, just in case. Right, I'm doing another nail. 2 coats again of the Ballerina gel polish in the lamp for 30 seconds. I do get that there was like a hair or something in it. I did end up getting it out, but I do it off camera because it can take you a while sometimes. Can you see it there under the gel? It's annoying. Right, so on this nail, I've decided to use the classic green and red stripe thing, that they have. They have like a green and red stripe. Oh my god, wouldn't it be amazing? Gucci sponsor me. That would be hilarious. No, it wouldn't be funny, it would be amazing. But look, I've cut a little section of this sticker off, and this is going to go down the center of that nail. So again, this is over the tacky layer. These stickers like to curl up. They were a little bit fiddly, but they are really, the good thing about these stickers is they are really sticky, which makes your life so much easier. I just felt like it wasn't quite straight, so I just sort of straightened it up. And then again, just cut the sticker off slightly off the edge. No, slightly inward. Am I making sense? So that you can cap it. I'm not doing a great job of that on this nail, but it doesn't matter for me because I'm just doing them on tips. No one's going to wear these, but if you're doing it on a client, make sure that you cut enough of the sticker off that you can cap the nail, you know, because you know, cap it properly. And then I'm going over with Madame Glam's No White Top Coat. The top coats secure in LED lamps for 30 seconds as well, just like the gel polishes do. Look, it looks so much nicer shiny. I was like, yes, shiny is the way ahead. Right, I've done another nail. I've actually done two. So I've done one plain with the plain ballerina gel polish, and I've done one matte. And I'm going to use this beautiful gold embossing gel to create so they have like they've got the snake and they've got the bee, haven't they? So this is the bee that I found on one of their bags. So I am just going to create the bee using this gold embossing gel. Now the embossing gel hasn't got a tacky layer, so you can use it on a finished nail. And because it's an embossing gel, you can use it to build a bit of height on whatever design you're putting on the nail. It would be really good for, like, there's a hair there. Is it hair or is it crack on my screen? No, it's the hair. If you want to make like 3D swirls or something, this would be really good to use. So what I'm doing is I'm just copying that little logo. So I've done the head. It's got like a little torso, and it's got like a little bum, and like that just cut there. Did you see the video just cuts because I flash cured it? And now I'm just going in with a little bit more to build up a little bit of height. And I'm using my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush to do this. These will be back in the brushes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. They will be back in stock this month, hopefully middle of April. But if you are in the Nail Sugar group, if you're not and you want to know when my brush is back in stock, the best place to go is the Nail Sugar group on Facebook, because all updates will be put in that group, because that's where you get them from. So yeah, so look, can you see, look, I've got a little bit of height. I am going to sort out the bee's bum, because I don't want it sticking up like that. Oh dear. So I'm just, with my brush, I'm just sort of like spreading the gel out evenly. Can you see? So that we've just got a nice little embossed little bee. And then I'm going to do, he had like, I say he, yes, it's probably a worker bee. Actually, it might not be a worker bee, it might be a queen bee, because a queen bee would have Gucci, wouldn't she? Though I don't think she's big enough. It might not be big enough to be a queen bee. I don't know. So look, two little arms, and then it's got like two little legs coming around the back. I did think that I was trying to do this like so that it was all symmetrical, and look how unsymmetrical that is. So I do end up just sort of getting my not detailer brush, my little cleany uppy brush, and just trying to, I'm off camera here obviously, this is where I was trying to clean it up. There we go. I've just tried to make it, it's still a little bit wonky, but it's better. And do you know what, I was like, oh, that's just gonna have to do, because my kids, I think my youngest was near me, and I was like, if I go back in, I'm gonna knock it. He's gonna touch me and I'm gonna knock it, and it's gonna go horribly wrong. And then I'm gonna put the wings on. So the wings are gonna obviously end up coming off the nail, because they are, the wingspan is wider than the nail itself, but that doesn't matter. You can get the gist that it's the Gucci bee. I decided just to make the wings a little bit wider. I'm out of shot here. Come back down, Nats, come back down. So here, look, I made them a little bit wider because I felt like they were a little bit too skinny. There we go. So then I'm going to give that a 30-second cure. Depending on how, I was trying to make its bottom a little bit wider. I felt like it looked a little bit too waspy, and I wanted it to look a bit more bee-y. Good English, Nats. yeah, so also depending on how thick you put this embossing gel on, it will need between a 30 and 60-second cure. I do give it a full 60-second cure at the end. Oh, it needed some little antennae. I forgot those. And I'm just going to put like a line down the middle of the wings. I don't know why I done that. And then I do pop that in the lamp. And then I decided that I wanted to put some... this isn't in on the like the logo, but I don't think it is anyway. I'm not sure, but I wanted to put some little lines across its bum to make it look more like a bee and less like a fly or a wasp. I don't know. Although wasps are yellow and blacky kind of colours as well, aren't they? I don't know. Anyway, there we go. I thought it was just a little bit more detail as well. So, ta-da! So yeah, there we go. That's it. Almost finished. I'm going to give it a full 60-second cure. That is it finished actually, and that is pretty much the set done. I've done another plain beige nail, and I'm going to put these in some kind of order that I think it looks nice. And then that will be the finished set. I hope you like them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. I'll try and link the Chanel nail somewhere, or I'll put it in the description box below or on the screen somewhere. But thanks for watching. Have an amazing rest of the day, and I will see you guys on Thursday with another video. Love you all. Bye.